parents, and my dear children. Today we will talk about a very important topic, that is bullying. It is the need of the hour to talk about it. It is an issue across our nation. It refers to the aggressive behavior so as to dominate the other person. It refers to the corporation of power over others so that one individual can dominate the other. It is an act that is not one time. Instead, it keeps on repeating over frequent intervals of time. You might not know, but the person sitting next to you could be getting bullied. They might not seem like they are hurting, but inside they could be. Bullying does not have to be pushing someone around, showing them into lockers, or even punching them. It can be on the internet, after school, when you're walking home, or maybe in the bus. Bullying can be physical. When the bullies try to physically hurt or torture someone, even touch someone without his or her consent, can be termed as physical bullying, such as hitting, pushing, fighting, yelling at someone, making rude gestures, taking or breaking another person's things. Second, verbal bullying. It is when person taunts or teases the other person by calling different names, making fun of someone, laughing at someone, leaving someone out on purpose, starting rumors about or telling lies about someone, trying to make someone feel bad about who they are. Third, psychological bullying. When a person or group of people gossip about another person or exclude them from being a part of the group, it can be termed as psychological bullying. Fourth, cyberbullying. When bullies make use of social media to insult or hurt someone, they may make comments, bad and degrading comments on the person at the public forum and hence make the other person feel embarrassed. Bullies may also post personal information, pictures or videos on social media to deteriorate someone's public image. Bullying is a big deal. A lot of us are being bullied. This can make kids feel really bad, and the stress of dealing with it may lead to depression. Bullying can make a kids not want to play outside or go to school. This is a big reason for children becoming an introvert. They hesitate to interact with others and develop a fear of being judged. They also fear of being embarrassed in front of others. Not being an outdoor person can make a child dull. He or she may lack in outdoor skills. This may prevent a child from discovering his interests, likes or dislikes for certain games, discovering social skills. Other than just affecting the victim, it affects the one who is bullied too. They develop a dominating personality. They overlook the difference between right and wrong, consider themselves as superior than others, end up losing friends. Parents of such children are deeply affected too. They go through deep stress and feel uncomfortable sending their child to a school or a playground where they are being bullied. So now you know that bullying is a big problem that affects a lot of kids. But what you do if someone is bullying you? Don't give the bully a chance. Avoid them as much as you can. Stand tall and be brave. Have the ability to take a stance for yourself. Feel good about you. Feel confident about yourself. Always have a you can do behavior. Get a buddy and be a buddy. Hang out with people whom you're sure will stand with you in the situation of bullying, and be friendly and supportive towards everyone. Ignore the bully. Stand up for yourself. Don't bully them. Tell an adult. No one needs to put up with a bully's behavior. If you or someone you know is bothered by a bully, talk to someone you trust. Everyone has the right to feel safe, and being bullied makes people feel unsafe. Tell someone, talk to someone about it, and keep telling until something is done. Thank you so much, friends.